Whoa, it's going down. Just like this fighter is going down. And this fighter is also going down. Salute to our warriors across the globe. I'm Anthony Keleke. Welcome. So you get to witness two fighters go down in this episode as the lead musician returns from a victory procession with his drummers. And they would have gotten some good cash in return for that gesture. So much story in the eyes of this fan. I mean, hope as he peers on waiting for the game to start immediately. And Bagon Chaku is going up against Usman Ilaya. Ilaya is a fighter on the neck carry, yes. Both fighters sizing themselves up. And an overhand. Whoa! Ilaya staggers away. It is Chaku who wins this round. Immediately this fight started. Why do you think we called it a quickie? He thrust his overhand, but it was Bagon Chaku's own which made impacts, getting Ilaya scoring. You know, see him on the sand, all coughed up. He gets up, takes a knee, contemplates what he could have done better next time. As he peers on, salutes his fellow fighter with sign of sportsmanship, smiles for us, keeps him moving. Let's go. Almost immediately, and it is Alaye Kudu versus Shagun Gidwe, punching barrage of blows there, and the right hook there from Shagun Gidwe as it knocks down. Oh! Comrade rushes in to pick him up. Let's watch that replay. What happened there? Alaye Kudu struck a right hook, but you could tell that he used his head a bit, so it seemed like a bit of a headbutt combination with a hand punch, but he stylishly did it in a way that no one could even actually suspect a thing. I don't know why it's not being disputed. Okay, so Shagun Gidwe runs to look for him and tries to pull him back into the arena, let them fight again. And Alaye Kudu has been told to ignore him, so he wouldn't oblige him. Rather, he would take the knee to get a beautiful cash run from the big spenders. See him all smiles, I mean, from ear to ear. Interesting. Gets the money rain, Alaye Kudu, for his quick performance there, taking out his opponent. It is what it is in Dambe. This is what we call a sport for men. You know, real warriors who are fighting, not the type who rehearse a match. Every day their form of training is to fight. And we have a very beautiful surprise coming up. Stick around, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell icon. May the feast of Dambe Warriors be with you.